Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Lemony Stitch box. It's not fabric or anything, it is crafts. So let's go over to the table and take a look at all the items. It's priority mail, and it had washi tape, Joy with Julie, which this is stickers on the box. And here's washi tape, 4th of July, which kind of give you a preview of what's going to be in the box because you kind of knew it was going to be 4th of July patriotic stuff. So here's what came in the Lemony Stitch box. This is a little bit different kind of unboxing. This is not fabric. This is craft things. These are a pair of earrings down here. They got little stars on them. I did a whole video, and when I got done I didn't like it. So that's why I changed it. Ignore those pieces of paper back there. I'm working on some more projects. And then it had a whole bunch of these little cards here. All that barking. They heard something outside and got excited. Cute little clothespins. They're really little. Some washi tape. And then a couple calendars, one for the rest of June and July. And then what I'm going to do is I got the big item on the floor, so hold on one second, I'm going to pick it up. That is 12 by 12. And they gave all these different variety of letters, numbers, symbols, that sort of thing, so that you can put it on there. I'm going to take this banner here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hang that up. I'll show it to you after I get it up on the wall. And the rest of this stuff, most of this stuff, I'm going to go ahead and give to my daughter because she's into all the crafts and everything. So when she does something with her craft, she'll probably go ahead and put it on her Sherry's Coffee Break, her YouTube channel. So till then, bye-bye.